What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to make your WordPress website stop storing the IP addresses from the comments that you receive. If you go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus and click on comments, you can see those numbers with comments, okay, on your website. Those numbers are the IP addresses of the person who made the comment. However, this is really bad if your site wants to be GDPR compliant, okay? So it's a policy privacy, okay? So it's not good that you have stored all the IP addresses of the users who made the comment for no reason. As a result, you may want to stop storing this on your site for a lot of reasons, but basically for GDPR is the biggest one, okay? How to do this is what you're gonna learn in today's video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics or choose internet on our site's favor. So let's get this started. First thing to do, navigate to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to keyword, there is a field called search plugins. We're gonna click on it and type WP code. Just like this. WP code. Insert headers and footers, custom code snippets, WordPress code manager. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list. A list where we can see all of the present plugins on your site. Nothing much to do right here, but review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard once again. Next to settings, you're going to be able to see a new menu called code snippets. Click on it and click on add snippet. Add a custom code. Now we're gonna change the kind of code, okay? Review the right side of your screen, the code type from HTML to PHP snippet. Go to remove IP and now enter with this code on your site, okay? Function, remove, filter, just like this. Can be auto insert, run everywhere. Now all you have to do is save the snippet into the upper right corner of your screen. Pause the video so you can copy the code once YouTube does not let me enter with codes into the description, but feel free to use the comment section so I can reply with the code, or simply pause the video and copy the code. Save snippet. Now, as you can see, it's inactive. We're gonna switch to active and update it. And all done. Every single new comment that your site receives gonna be without the IP address. Simple, easy, and very effective. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site. Or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. In addition, for Sites Gallery, sites.gallery, there is a place where you can promote your site, your app, your game. It's a CSS gallery to award site and promote sites, okay? And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your WordPress website, count on our full support, themes, plugins, pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, templates, icons, widgets, blocks, elements, and many more features to create the site that you need. Go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!